Today we're cooking low-cal but big flavor.
This ground turkey and sweet pepper ragu are to die for.
Oh yeah, a bowl of this is stick to your ribs yumminess.
Oh, even better with a little grated Parmesan.
Eating healthy never tasted so good. And
That's so good.
It's so true. It is healthy, but more than that, it is just delicious.
I know, this turkey is so good.
You're not talking turkey, I'll tell you that. So I've got a tablespoon of, in my large skillet here, over medium heat of olive oil, and here is a chopped onion, medium-sized onion. It's about a cup, and we're just going to saute this until it's nice and soft.
Yum.
About 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, so now these are just starting to brown just a little bit, and that's only been a few minutes. Now I've got 3 cloves of garlic. Just because we're going a little lighter with our protein does not mean we're not going to still amp up the flavors.
It's so good, y'all.
It really is. So this is just going to go till it's nice and aromatic.
Speaking of protein, we've got our turkey here, our ground turkey. It is 85% lean, so we're talking healthy.
Well, I mean, you could get like 95% and end up. But I like this just because it renders.
Don't get out of hand.
Let's not go crazy. No, but this is going to render a little grease. That we're going to drain that off, so we're not going to have any excess grease. It's just a healthier way to do this. It's that time of the year that we're trying to, when we're filming this, it was just the holidays, so
it's getting cold outside. So this ragu is good for cold weather.
Exactly,
too.
it is. It's healthy and it's so good. So this is ground turkey, as Wesley said. You can easily find this at the grocery store. It's becoming more and more people are cooking with turkey now, which I love. We cook with it all the time. We make tacos with it. We
turkey
make
burgers,
chili, spaghetti bolognese, anything. So anyway, we're just going to cook this until it's.
We're going to show these people.
Sure. Let's talk peppers.
Sweet peppers or bell peppers. You can call them sweet peppers. We've got the red ones here. I guess red. They're all red. It's like you go from this to that, right?
Well, that one would be orange, and that one would be yellow.
But aren't they all phases of going to red?
They're all considered sweet peppers. They're in their different phases on their journey to being red. But what I love about them, and I purposely don't use the green because this just has a sweetness to it, and it really imparts a flavor to the sauce that is just. And if you can't, you can go all red, you can go all one color. But you need 3 peppers. And while we're talking about them, why don't you pick one? So I like to make sure when you cut them up, you want to have a little bit of size to them, but don't make them too big. And to make it so they cook evenly, try to cut them all pretty close to the same size and get those seeds out of there.
So all right,
we're going to continue cooking this until it's completely no longer pink, and we're going to get rid of that grease. Okay, so you see how this is no longer pink. And then I just tilted my skillet, got a little bowl with a big old spoon, and just siphoned off all that grease. I left about maybe a teaspoon, just a little flavor. Little flavor. Okay. Now, what I always like to do is I like to season as I go. You don't want to overdo this because we're going to add salt more later to the sauce, but I'm adding just a little bit to the turkey just so it's got a nice layer of flavor as well.
Good.
Okay, so now we've got a half a cup of just a nice dry white wine, which is classic, and it's going to impart that wonderful flavor. I can deglaze the pan a little bit with that.
Let's talk about pasta.
Let's talk pasta.
While that's deglazing. We like to use, well, I do, especially me.
He really does. He requested this.
I love bucatini. I just love the thickness of it. Especially in the wintertime, it's nice and hearty.
It sticks to your bones. So
Chris likes spaghetti, but I like the bucatini.
I like it. Bucatini is tubular. It's actually the hollow on the inside. It's just like spaghetti. It's fabulous. It's a little, I think usually you can find it nowadays. It's in just most every supermarket. It's a little more expensive just because it's a little more of a specialty pasta, but any pasta will work.
So I like this with bucatini. Chris likes it with spaghetti, and we've also done this with lamb, which is super good as well.
You can, did we not say that? Yeah, you can use whatever protein you have in mind. Like I said.
Oh, you did say it, maybe, but we didn't talk about.
We didn't talk about lamb, but lamb. When I first started playing around with this recipe, I was trying to do something delicious.
This
with
was a long time ago.
Lamb, and it was really good. And we were revisiting, and I was like, let's go healthy and let's do turkey. And
we're like, this is delicious.
It's so good, and it's. I mean, you would never know that it's turkey. It's so good.
Yeah.
Okay, so now I'm going to move right along. So
Oh,
now
you're going to get messy?
I'm going to get messy. You don't have to do this, but if you've watched this long enough, you know I like to squeeze my tomatoes. So I've got a 28.
And I stand back here.
And you stand back, and I get it all over me. I've got clean hands here. These are San Marzano tomatoes. Don't get San Marzano style. These are actually from Italy.
Certified, people, certified.
See on the box it says Cento. The brand Cento has a really nice brand. They're canned when they're right. I think they're harvested right at the base of
Mount Etna.
No, Mount Vesuvius.
Mount Vesuvius.
Edna.
I don't know. I'm just talking.
Well, hi, Edna. It sounds good. Anyway, so now the only problem when I do this is then my hands are completely messy.
Yes.
So
Here
we go.
There you
Okay.
go.
So, but anyway, they're really fresh and they're really good and they're loaded with flavor. But the squeezing, I've learned. Someone told me years ago that the best way to do it, the way the Italians do it, is to squeeze the tomatoes. So I've always done that, and I believe it.
Every time he squeezes tomatoes.
I squeeze my tomatoes. I'm a tomato squeezer. So now we've got 3 bay leaves. I'm just kind of going out of order here.
That's okay.
I've got a cup of good old chicken stock. And now when you do this, it's going to seem like it's a little brothy, a little thin, and that's okay. It's going to cook down. That is a teaspoon of just good old dried oregano.
Yeah.
You could use fresh, but in this one, dried is easy. That's a teaspoon of the salt. We're going to go about a half a teaspoon of
You need
black
some more pepper.
I know, I'm out of my black pepper. That's one of those things, ever since the pandemic, there's certain items that are still hard to find. And I
Isn't
like
that
my
funny?
coarse ground black pepper that I cook with so much. And I know.
like salt too sometimes.
Sometimes you never really know. Okay, so now I think I've got everything in there. So we've got these red bell peppers. We're going to let this simmer, and it's going to simmer down, and it's going to thicken, and it's going to be this incredibly beautiful sauce. And that takes a total of about 30 minutes. So I'm going to, if you put your peppers in too soon, then I think they get too
You
soft.
lose the bite.
And they get mushy.
Yeah.
You want them soft, but not like melting.
You still want a bite.
Yeah, a bite. So al dente. So this is going to go for 15 minutes, and then we're going to put the peppers in, and then go for another 15 minutes. We're going to get our pasta going, and then we're going to bring it all together. Okay. Oh, doesn't that smell so good?
Oh, y'all.
It's amazing. So this has been going just for 15 minutes, and you can see it's already. You want to keep.
It's getting thicker.
You don't want it to just be boiling the whole time. Just a nice gentle simmer, and it thickens up, and that excess liquid evaporates out. Now it's time to
Let's do it.
Really make it a party.
Let's throw those
Dump
in.
them in. And this is when it's like, oh my gosh, it's so
The colors.
pretty. And again, I said this before, but what I love about these sweet peppers, as they simmer here for another 15 minutes, they're going to soften up, but they're also going to impart some of that delicious flavor into the sauce. And it's just heavenly. Okay, so we're going to let this cook for just another 15 minutes on kind of like a low heat. You're going to want, at this point, you're going to want to make sure you've got your pasta water heated up and preferably boiling. You're going to liberally salt it with water because this takes usually about 10 to 12 minutes. Just follow the instructions on your package. Did we talk about how you love bucatini so much?
Yes, we did.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I couldn't remember. So anyway, so we're going to, in about 5 minutes, we're going to throw that in, and then we're going to bring it all together. Okay, isn't that beautiful? Oh,
Gorgeous.
Still can't get over the smell. So
Wow.
we've taken it off because it went for another 15 minutes. I'm going those
Pasta sauce
I
looks
know.
so good.
And the peppers.
The ragu looks so good.
It does. The peppers are just tender. They're wonderful. So I remove those bay leaves. Now our pasta, we cooked that till it was al dente, and then just drained it. And I've got it sitting over here. Now this next step, you don't necessarily have to do this, but I think it really helps.
Awesome.
It helps really make that pasta adhere to the sauce. So I've got a nice size skillet over here.
It clings to the pasta.
It clings. It gets very clingy. So this, and I don't think I said before, we're using 8 ounces of pasta here. This when it goes in, especially bucatini, it's always like, I don't know, it doesn't feel like that's very much pasta, but then it expands.
I
Obviously.
love it.
Now, another thing that you want to do, if you can remember to do this is a little starchy pasta water. You just want to add that to the pasta just to kind of help loosen it up, and it just makes everything delicious. If you don't do that, don't worry. It's not the end of the world. Okay, so now we've just begun to coat the pasta.
Did you get rid of the bay leaves?
I did.
Oh.
Okay.
What was this for?
Oh, I was going to put it in there, but I bypassed that and went straight to the trash can. So now we're going to dump the rest of this glorious sauce in here. Isn't that beautiful?
Wow, I'm mesmerized.
I know. I'm mesmerized and my mouth is watering. Okay, so now we just help that pasta get real friendly with the sauce. It is so beautiful. Wow. This easily feeds a family of 4, or Wesley and Chris.
Do you need these utensils?
No, I think we're good. No, just something for. I'm gonna want to shovel you a big old pile of this. So, and really, folks,
sounds good to me.
I know. This is really all there is to it. So doesn't that look great? So now you've got a nice ratio of pasta to sauce, which is always good. And I'm in awe of this. I just love it. So how do we want to do this? You want
Put it right here.
I'm going to put it right here.
And you can toss me in some pasta. We'll toss you in some pasta.
Okay, see if I can do this without creating a huge mess.
You'll be fine.
You'll be great.
Wonderful. Ooh.
Isn't that beautiful? Oh. And you guys, the smell.
More, please.
I know. I'll give you. I know. Those peppers and
Yum!
that turkey ragu. All of it is just so beautiful. Okay.
And here's yours.
Yeah, you go ahead and help yourself up with some.
I've got some cheese. Gotta have some Parm cheese, freshly grated.
You know, you can have a little extra calories with the cheese. You're cutting it with the turkey, but I'm telling you, you're not going to know when you eat this. You're not going to realize you're cutting calories at all.
Chris, and I'm going to give you some cheese.
Thank you.
Oh, there we go.
And just to make it pretty, let's add a little chopped parsley, because
Let's do it.
we like to make things pretty. Okay. I am so excited.
Here, let's move this thing out of the way.
Let's get it out of the way so I can dig in.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, watch out.
We're good.
Watch it. Watch it.
Okay.
Wanda.
What are you doing?
There.
Okay,
Perfect.
boy, that's what you call choreography. Now, I just need my fork, which for some reason is way over there.
Whew, I worked up an appetite.
Tell you, I was like, what
Y'all, look at that. Look at how delicious that. Okay, well, here we go. I'm gonna be eating pasta.
We eat this, and the only problem with this is that it's so good, then you eat an entire
in one
It
sitting.
sort of defeats the purpose of eating healthier.
All right, ready?
Yes.
Oh, it's hot.
That is restaurant quality.
Y'all. The peppers.
Yeah, the peppers. I love
that. It adds it literally adds like a little sweetness to it.
It does. I know. And
Oh, and I love my bucatini. And who knew that this was turkey meat?
no, it's so good. It's so flavorful.
Y'all.
Lots of people think, turkey doesn't have any flavor, ground turkey. Wait till you try this. Yeah.
That's amazing. That is 100,000% Luna proud.
A low-cal dish got 100,000%
I would eat
approved.
this day in and
I
day
know,
out.
but you're going to because we have a lot of it. So you guys make this. We hope you're having a healthy year. We love you.
Yes.
We can cook healthy. I told you we could do it.
And it's heartwarming.
Heartwarming. All right, we want to hug you. All right, we love you so much, everybody.
Mwah.
Bye. Mwah.